So we're gonna do a little cake. Everyone wants something sweet when you're outside. So we have a few ingredients here. We're gonna need some butter. We're gonna need the dough for the cake, which I prepared at home in a couple of piping bags. We're gonna have some brown sugar, a little bit of cardamom seeds, and then here we have a little bit of cream, which we're gonna shake later to get some whipped cream. And then, of course, a few apples and an orange. I'm gonna start with peeling and chopping the apples. So the next step will be to prepare the pan. And then it's very smart to use a non-stick pan, so you face the problem that the cake will stick in the pan. Take a little bit of paper and wrap it in butter. And then some brown sugar goes in, like this. This will caramelize in the bottom and bring a nice flavor to the apples, sweeten the apples. It sticks to the whole pan, like that. The next step is the apples. There we go. Pan is ready, the apple is ready. Next step, put on the dough. And then we want to create a sort of oven, because we're going to bake it very, very slow on the open fire. So I put some tin foil on top and keep it quite tight, and that will create like a little outdoor stove. So now that it's on over the fire, it's quite important to move it around quite often. That's because we want the cake to get equally baked all the way through and the caramelization to go smooth underneath. And I will leave the cake bake here now for at least 25 to 30 minutes. And if it feels nice and firmly, it's done. And that smell. Whoa. And then I'm just going to loosen it with a little knife around and use the lid again. And then quickly just until the cake we're going to serve some whipped cream, and instead of just whipping it outside, it can be very smart to have it in a little jar and just shake it instead of actually whipping it. And here we go. Beautifully. And on top of the cream we're going to have some cardamom, and I use whole cardamom because it tastes a bit more. So you just chop it roughly. Guess what? The coffee's ready.